Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and electronics. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all CB radio enthusiasts: the Wilson 880-300-100B Boxed Little Will Magnet Mount CB Antenna Kit. If you're looking for reliability, performance, and ease of use, then this product is certainly one you'll want to consider. Let's start with what makes the Wilson Little Will CB antenna so exceptional. At just 36 inches long, this antenna is designed to maximize performance while being compact enough for easy transport and installation. Its compact size doesn't compromise its capability. In fact, it's known for delivering excellent reception and transmission quality. One of the standout features of this antenna is its impressive power handling capability. With an ICAS rating of 300 watts, it can handle a substantial amount of power without overheating or degrading performance. This means whether you're in your car, truck, or even at a stationary location, you can depend on it to maintain a strong signal. The Little Will features a robust magnet base weighing 10 ounces, ensuring a secure attachment to your vehicle. This is especially useful for those who may want to reposition the antenna frequently or use it on multiple vehicles. The large magnet provides excellent stability, reducing the chance of losing your antenna during your travels. Moving up, we have the heavy-duty coil, which is constructed using 14-gauge copper wire. This is significant because copper wire helps improve signal quality while also providing durability. The low-loss coil design ensures minimal energy is wasted during transmission, further enhancing your communication capabilities. Installation of the Wilson Little Will is incredibly straightforward. The package includes everything you need to get started, making it accessible even for those who might not be particularly tech-savvy. Simply place the magnet on a flat surface, connect the coax cable to your CB radio, and you're ready to go. This convenience means you can set it up in minutes without any complex tools. Now, let's talk about the design. Made with high-impact thermoplastic, this antenna is built to withstand the elements. Whether you're dealing with harsh sun, rain, or even snow, you can trust that the Little Will hold up over time. It's not just an antenna, it's an investment in your communication needs. This antenna is ideal for both amateur and serious CB radio users. It's perfect for road trips, off-road adventures, or even for use in commercial vehicles. The Wilson Little Will helps ensure that you stay connected, no matter where you are. Whether you're chatting with friends or coordinating with a team, having a reliable CB antenna is crucial, and the Little Will delivers on that front. To wrap up, the Wilson 880-300-100B Boxed Little Will Magnet Mount CB Antenna Kit stands out as one of the best options in the market for its size, performance, and durability. If you're in the market for a compact, reliable, and powerful CB antenna, then the Little Will should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description below for more details. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest reviews. See you in the next video.